Need to clean up your Excel sheet without deleting anything? You can hide columns so the data stays in the workbook, but it is removed from you. Let's hide a column step by step. The easiest way is to use the column letter at the top of the sheet. Here, I want to hide column C. First, click the column letter. Deselect the entire column. Now, right-click the selected column letter. Then choose Hide. Column C is now hidden. Notice that the letters jump from B to D. That tells you the column C is still there, but it is hidden. You can also hide more than one column at the same time. Click the first column letter, then drag across the other column letters you want to hide. Right-click one of the selected column letters and choose Hide. Excel hides all selected column letters together. This is helpful when you have extra notes, IDs, or helper column that you do not need to see right now. You can also hide multiple columns that are not next to each other. To do this, click the first column letter you want to hide. Now, hold Ctrl on your keyboard. Then, click each extra column letter. Right-click one of the selected column letter. Then choose Hide. Excel hides those columns while the column in between stays visible. You can also hide columns from the ribbon. The result is the same as the right-click method, whether you want to hide one column, several columns that are next to each other, or multiple columns that are not next to each other. First, select the column letter you want to hide. Go to Home tab. In the Cells group, click Format. Point to Hide and Unhide. Then choose Hide Columns. The result is the same. The column is hidden, but the data is not deleted. For a faster method, select the column letter first. Then press Ctrl + 0. The shortcut hides the selected column immediately. Just remember, Ctrl + 0 hides columns, Ctrl + 9 hides rows. One common mistake is clicking a single cell instead of the column letter. For the clearest result, click the letter at the top like C, D, or E. That selects the whole column. Also, hidden does not mean deleted. If the column letters are missing, the data may be still there. Hiding is only for cleaning up the view, not for securing private information. Quick recap. Select the column letter, right-click and choose Hide. Or use Home tab, Format, Hide and Unhide, Hide columns. For a shortcut, select the column and press Ctrl + 0. Continue improving your Excel data skills with the Working with Data in Excel playlist, or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.